It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2015 GMC Yukon Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Yukon. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, and the child lock buttons. This Denali also comes with a premium Bose sound system, and it's got the programmable memory seat. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the telescopic steering wheel button, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, park assist, lane departure alert, the trailer brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and the lighting controls, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Denali embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the power sunroof buttons, power liftgate button, programmable garage door opener, and a place to store your sunglasses. The rear view mirror is equipped with OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. If we push the button down below, it'll reveal a storage compartment with a USB plug-in. Just below that are the dual climate control buttons with air conditioning. We've also got the rear climate control buttons, heated and cooled front leather seats, the engine push start button. We've got some USB ports and power plug-ins. This is the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille, headlamps, fog lights, 22-inch Denali wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, running boards down below, intelligent access on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, the power lift gate and remote start, both can be used using our key fob. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and the rear speakers. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has the rear climate control buttons, some power plug-ins, heated rear seats, and a storage compartment. All-weather floor mats on the floor. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull the lever on the side of the seat. The third row has 3 additional seats, cup holders on either side, and a power plug-in. So come take a look at the 2015 GMC Yukon Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.